What up, guys? Welcome to another video. Y'all remember this thing, right? I still own it. It's still alive, and it has one smoky turbo. I haven't been no content on it because I've been doing everything else, but we're gonna get a little bit of content on it. Nick's here, you know, Haitian's here. So George really wanted these wheels, and I told George if he get me some LXZs and 19s for this car, he can have it. So guess what happened yesterday? He got me a set of LXZs and 19s. So now the VFKFs is gonna be no more, and they're moving on to his new owner, who's gonna be George. Had a good life. But this is gonna be better because now this is my third car with LXZs, so it's gonna be a good time. Plus, there's gonna be some more action in this video. I'll show y'all here in a second. Yeah. Dang, that just got a cam in it. Yeah, so you see, Nick is wasting no time ripping this engine out because of the smoking turbo. So what's gonna happen is, I guess Adam's having like a little barbecue on Sunday. So me and Haitian finna pull up in Sedan. We finna pull up in Sedan, and I had to hit him up and the guys at HQ to plug us with some real turbos. So we getting rid of the $100 turbos, and now we got too many $100 turbos, and we got two of them. And the boy Trump done pull up and dropped it off, like always, while he gonna get his car dynoed. Start selling out. So hopefully we can have this thing down. We can have them turbos on there, and it can be running. Nick, that's the got me working. Not gonna be show them why we doing this to son. Chill out, don't be careful, man. This is my baby. Go ahead. I'll be careful. Go ahead, be careful, bro. Come on. Hey, be careful. Hey, bro, tell him about himself. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm a little tired.
Hey, what's this? Alright. Hold on, take your time, bro. What about the fuel? Hey, this is hooked up still, man. I thought you said you disconnected, bro.
It's not hooked up.
So what is it hooked on then?
Sir, you're
Let's
the
see
one
what I gotta deal with, bro. See what I
You're
gotta deal with, bro. This is what I gotta deal with.
Horses make people angry.
That's why his hairline receding. So why is yours? Why is yours?
This what we doing?
This is what
I wish your tooth would recede.
Damn.
Hey, Lee.
Damn, come on, bro.
Hey, that man got angry jaw.
Hey, we gotta change the AC compressor when it's. Whoa, bro. Watch how you talk about my drawer, bro.
He got angry jaw. Oh, yeah, he does.
Y'all tripping, bro. Anyway, so George's car is also getting the VFKFs on while you out there. Look at that. Best the Chase ever looked in his life right here. Hey, thank you, Lee. Go on, say it, man. The best it ever looked right here. Woo! Woo! Give me that back. Now don't look at your
My Fitbit?
No, I thought you was gonna look at your bank account.
No, I'm not doing that.
Well, this man still bitching. Still bitching. We got the Garrett turbos on. It wasn't as easy as we thought. We had to do a lot of chopping, fabrication, welding, you guys can see, but typically what I do is I take a saw and I cut stuff here, and I take the weld and I go zzz. Yeah. Alright, so this is where we at now. We're gonna try to fit it back in there. It's like 2 in the morning, so you gotta understand we're on time crunch. This is still gonna be a problem. We got a new compressor on. Nick's still here. Got him stressed out. I ended up changing the route of the piping on this side instead of going around the mount, since we had the subframe out to make life easier. Haitian's still over there trying to make horsepower. I don't know what he doing. Made a little some.
Oh my God, that's just strong. What is this?
Yeah, he's trying to make a little some. That's thinners. That's thinners, bro. Chill out. Yeah, we're going through the shoulder tonight, but it'll be worth it. Hopefully, these Garrett turbos on 10 pounds should make more power. You guys, I don't know if I had showed y'all, but it made 500 on the eBay turbos. Where's the bad one at? Let me show y'all the bad one. The bad one was really bad, and it wasn't because it was my fault, you know. But let's look at this. The other one's still good. That one just had a bad time, but she was making good power though.
It's your fault.
Still crying. She's still crying.
Breaking shit.
She's crying, bro. Anyways, we're gonna try to stick the Garrett's in there. I'm not listening to him, guys. Just ignore him in the background. You know what? Should have had Fat Black over here. Alright, so I know you guys probably hate me for this, but it started getting really late, and me and Nick just hurried up and popped the engine back in, and now today it's running. It's pretty much ready to go. Before I drive it, I'm gonna actually put on the dyno and do a couple pulls, see where it's at with the new turbos at the same boost. I'm gonna take it really easy because it's still pump gas and I don't want to break it. So yeah. Oh yeah, we also did a little bit of rolling on the fenders for the new LXZs and some new front tires today. That looks pretty good, but other than that, I mean, she's pretty much ready to go. Get alignment tomorrow if everything goes well on the dyno, and I drive it tonight. So we're gonna move it over to the dyno now. Alright, so the car did make it to the dyno, but it needs plugs because I tried to do a pull and it broke up instantly. I'm annoyed and I can't get plugs till tomorrow, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Hopefully I get to dyno it. But tell me what you think. I think it looks way better on 19s and LXZs. It almost looks like a Hot Wheel now. I'm digging it. Alright, so we got plugs in it, and I end up changing like the fuel pump and lines and all of that. It was a rush because I'm trying to go to Adam today. Today's Sunday. Yeah, we're gonna finish dyno tuning it now, and hopefully everything goes good. Plugs in, new valve cover gaskets, a whole bunch of jibber jabber. But other than that, we're ready for it. Do some pulls. Took quite a bit of pulls, but these are the final numbers. It's making 476 and 420 foot-pounds of torque on like 10, 11 pounds. No better way to test it out than taking a long drive. So we're gonna drive it all the way to Tampa and go to Troy's. Didn't end up going to LZ because it took a little bit longer than I thought. So now we're gonna go to Tampa, check out Troy and his open house. So let's go. All right, off to Troy's. Purring like a kitten, looking good, nice and clean. You don't even know I'm coming, I'm just gonna pull up. Alright, so we rolling. 528 now, everything's been good so far. It's a heck of a way to test out a car after you just put new turbos on it. Drive it 2 hours to Tampa. Got the laptop out just in case. Got a little pop and bang tune on there, you know what I'm saying? But one thing you can't regret, man, is them turbos when you... Y'all can hear it, but man, that thing sounds good. I'll see y'all at Troy's. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Tampa. 2-hour drive. Turbo car running good. Can't complain. A little scary just for now coming off the dyno and making this drive, but we over here. We about to pull up to Troy's here in a second.
Nebraska Avenue.
So we're here.
Arrived.
And we're just gonna be really ignorant. We're just gonna pull up in the middle like we owns it, because we can.
What the friggin' hell are you
Yo,
doing?
the burnout comp start yet?
burnout.
The burnout comp start, yo! Yo, monster in here! Hey, record, I'm gonna do a burnout. Is it recording already? Yeah. Okay, my bad.
The mad one has arrived.
My bad, you know. I'm sorry. I had to do it. I just had to do it. Why not? My bad.
Okay.
You did not make the trip?
Yeah, no.
I did it this morning. Just to come here.
Gosh, yo. You know what? We got more.
Alright, so we had Trilogies, and he about to start his burnout comp. So maybe we do a burnout in this thing, even though we already did a great entry burnout on a brand new tires. Maybe we do a burnout. So I'm gonna record some of the burnouts. It's been going for like 4 minutes now. I know y'all can't hear it, but it's smoking, so that means you must be doing a burnout. Get an exhaust! Get an exhaust! Remove the catalytic converter! Okay, so he's still going 2 minutes later. So supposedly this guy just like, don't stop till it pops type of guy. But this is how you end up with kids.
Y'all up here. Hey, you. He didn't even pop the tire. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, one eye. Hey, what is this? Hey, bro, let's back up. Yo, what deposit? Bro, we tell you, what's going on? Yeah. Yo, one more time. 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 One more time.
It's all this guy fault right here.
You know what? He was a madman.
I still,
in real life, a madman. You understand?
Say I don't put them on my channel, so y'all say what's up. Okay, to the duo over here, Indian one, and I don't know what he is, but they out here. We in Tampa. She's sitting on a dyno with a two-step competition, making noise, but they ain't doing no.